A view of the Martian landscape with a voiceover, Mars, the red planet, has long captivated the human imagination. But what if we could call it home? Animation of a spacecraft landing on Mars and unloading the first human settlers. In recent years, the technology to make human habitation on Mars a reality has advanced rapidly. Private companies, like SpaceX, have made significant strides in developing the capabilities to transport humans to the planet. Interview with a SpaceX representative discussing the company's plans for Mars colonization. But what would it be like for humans to live on Mars? The planet's thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field make it inhospitable to life as we know it. Settlers would need to live in sealed habitats, protected from the harsh conditions outside. Animation of a human settlement on Mars, complete with domed habitats and rovers for transportation. But the effects of human habitation on Mars wouldn't be limited to the settlers themselves. The planet's delicate ecosystem, if it exists, could be disrupted by our presence. Interview with a planetary scientist discussing the potential impact of human activity on Mars. And what about the long-term effects on human society? Would Mars be a new frontier of opportunity, or a new source of conflict and inequality? Interview with a sociologist discussing the potential social implications of Mars colonization. While the potential benefits and risks of human habitation on Mars are still being debated, one thing is clear: the future of humanity may lie not just on Earth, but on the red planet. View of the Martian landscape. The next step in human history is just a rocket ride away. What if humans flew in Mars rather than walking? As we all know, humans have been fascinated with the idea of colonizing Mars for quite some time now. But what if instead of walking on the Martian surface, humans could fly in the planet's atmosphere? This is an exciting concept to explore, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the possibilities. First, let's consider the benefits of flying over walking. One of the biggest advantages is speed. It would take much less time to cover large distances if humans could fly, rather than walking. This would allow us to explore more of the planet in a shorter amount of time. Another advantage would be the ability to fly over obstacles. The Martian surface is full of craters, rocks, and other obstacles that would make walking difficult. But, with the ability to fly, we could easily navigate over these obstacles, giving us access to areas that would otherwise be inaccessible. But there are also some challenges to consider. One of the biggest challenges would be the thin atmosphere of Mars. The planet has only about 1% the atmospheric pressure of Earth, which would make it difficult for humans to fly. However, with the advancements in technology, it is possible that we could develop aircraft that are specifically designed for the Martian atmosphere. Another challenge would be the lack of resources. Mars is a harsh environment, with limited resources. It would be difficult to sustain a human population that was able to fly in the planet's atmosphere. However, with the advancements in technology, it is possible that we could develop new ways to generate power and extract resources from the Martian environment. In conclusion, while there would be challenges to overcome, the idea of humans flying in Mars rather than walking is an exciting concept to explore. With advancements in technology, it is possible that we could develop aircraft that are specifically designed for the Martian atmosphere and new ways to generate power and extract resources from the Martian environment. It would be an amazing achievement for humanity, and we look forward to seeing what the future holds for space exploration.